BILT is a customer experience company that specializes in creating loyal customers of the brands we serve. We call these types of customers promoters. As opposed to paper we have used for centuries, we create BILT Intelligent Instructions. These are 3D guided, fully interactive instructions that can be updated in real time, anytime.
One of the things I like about BILT more than anything else is the fact that it does it in segments. Each step gives you as much time as you need. So we don't have to move forward until we know we've got that first step, the one on the screen, finished, and then we can hit the button and go forward.
As we create these promoters or loyal customers, you will see 3 results. First, a significant decrease in the number of returns that you receive for that product. Second, a similar decrease in your customer support costs.
Because we have BILT that offers extended support to them on their phone, they're able to just feel more confident in purchasing the item before they even make that decision at the store.
Thirdly, and most important, an increase in your top-line sales as a result of higher star ratings.
After implementing the app, we've had over 17,000 downloads. Our net promoter score through the app is very high.
It truly delivers on improving the customer experience.
If you can have a network of customers who love your products, telling everybody how much they love your products, it's really important.
BILT offers us a platform where we can hear from our customers in a different avenue. It allows us to reach our customers in a different way as well. With the interactive instructions, it's something that we've always wanted to do and just need to find a partner that has this as their core competency versus us trying to do it all on our own.
The other thing BILT allows you to do is register your product.
Our product registrations have increased by using BILT just because it offers a one-stop shop for once they're done completing their assembly that they're able to go ahead and register their product right then and there.
We provide important pieces of analytics, like the amount of time people spend in each step, net promoter scores, customer satisfaction scores, and most importantly, user feedback and reviews. Additionally, that information will keep coming back to you on a regular basis to help you continue to provide the very best products in your marketplace.
We're able to get feedback. If a part isn't fitting correctly, we can pass that information along to our production team, making sure that those issues are addressed in production and at the factory level.
Getting started with BILT is also wonderfully simple. All we need is any 3D CAD that you have for the existing product, a sample of the product, which you will send to our Global Brand Support Center, and then any existing instructions related to that product. In most cases, we can turn around these instructions for your review in 3 to 5 days.
The BILT aspect has really been a game changer in the ability to easily communicate with the customer.
BILT helps us reach customers the way they want to be reached.
That's what BILT does.